Okay, today Fred is going to show us how to install a Keystone knob and latch kit. So he's going to start by inserting the knob through the loading door, and then he's going to turn the knob so that the outside portion is essentially parallel with the ground, and you're going to see the pinhole, and you're going to match up the pinhole with the inner latch. And the top portion of the latch, as you see, will come in contact with the inside of the door. If you were to look in here, you're going to see that those two are aligned. Fred's now going to take a clamp to hold it together before putting the pin to hold the two together. Again, he's going to check the alignment, make sure that those two holes are in fact aligned. Then he'll tighten down the C-clamp. All right. Now he's going to take the pin and just with the hammer gently tap
This one is not.
You can also take the door off of the stove and put it on, put it into vice grips, or just lay it down and then hammer down on it. A little bit easier to drive the pin that way. So the pin is now in, and we can now put the door back on. This is obviously a door that's not fully assembled. This is only for demonstration. He's going to slide the door back onto the stove. And with the fall-away tool, he's just going to work the handle back and forth a few times. Then you can set your final tension on the set screw and lock nut that comes with the latch, and you will be done.